Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So what's up guys? I hope everyone is well. So for today's video, it's a cooking vlog. Since 2 weeks I'm not doing cooking, so it's just a very simple recipe which I'm going to make today. It's a basically fried chicken, but I'm doing it simple and easy way. I'm making chicken strips or chicken popcorn KFC style. So if you're a fan of fried chicken, so this video must be suited to you. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So what we're waiting for, let's begin the cooking. Now we are going to cut our chicken breast into strips. So make sure it's not that thick. And then we will make popcorn as well. Alright, so this is our chicken breast. So these strips, we're going to use chicken strips, and this is the popcorn. Let's start the marination. Now we are going to start the chicken strips. Black pepper, some paprika powder, some garlic and ginger powder, and a little bit of soy sauce. And some ketchup. You can add 1 egg, we'll see the side. And now it's time to make the popcorn chicken. So the popcorn chicken, we're going to use garlic and ginger powder, black pepper, salt, some chili powder, and we're going to put eggs. Mix properly and let's mix. Set aside. While waiting this to soak properly and the marination will be absorbed, we're going to make the dusting. First, we're going to put flour. All-purpose flour is better. And then you can add oregano, paprika powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and then we can mix it. This is our dusting for our chicken. Now we are going to cook the chicken strips. So the marinated chicken and the flour mixture. So just simply dip it in the flour mixture. And then you can fry. So first, make sure the oil is hot. So we can fry. Just repeat the same procedure. So now our chicken is ready. So just take the plate and tissue, and then you can put it on top. Now in the same oil and in the same dusting, we are going to make the popcorn one. So the chicken is cooking and it's cooked already. And turn this about. Make sure the chicken is not overfried, otherwise it will be too hard. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for the next video. You will get notified. So see you on my next vlog. Bye.